I walk into a bright clothing store. Racks of colorful shirts line the walls. I look around and politely ask, 이거 얼마예요? How much is this? I want to be sure they have what I am looking for, so I ask, 이거 있어요? Do you have this? Maybe I want a different color, so I say, 다른 색 있어요? Do you have another color? Sometimes the size doesn't fit. I ask, 더 큰 거 있어요? Do you have a bigger one? Or, 더 작은 거 있어요? Do you have a smaller one? If I find clothes I like, I want to try them on. I ask, 입어봐도 돼요? Can I try it on? But then I check the price. Sometimes I feel surprised and say, 너무 비싸요. It's too expensive. At the market, I might bargain a little. 좀 깎아주세요. Please give me a discount. Finally, it's time to pay. I choose convenience. 카드로 계산할게요. I'll pay by card. Before I leave, I remember one last thing. 봉투 주세요. Please give me a bag. Shopping in Korean becomes fun when I use these expressions. Each phrase makes me feel more confident and connected.